From the wild moment police in Hollywood deployed a new tool to stop these car thieves, and a high-speed chase in Estonia that was ended by the perfect spike strip, to a nail-biting chase through Brazil that some are calling the best of all time, and much more. Here are some of the craziest ways police stopped suspects. What you're about to see was not a staged Hollywood chase. It was a real-life pursuit through the narrow corridors of Osasco, Brazil. Some have hailed it as the best police chase footage of all time. It began when a motorcyclist and his passenger were seen popping wheelies and speeding through the crowded streets. A motorcycle officer tried to pull them over, but this daredevil had other ideas. He hit the throttle and led our officers on a nail-biting 6-minute chase through the main streets and back alleys of Sao Paulo.